body up, right? Because we can't, I've taught workshops before where it's a husband-wife team and the husband and wife are fighting. I think I was told that usher was just here filming a commercial. Yeah, he's standing right where I'm standing. So, this is real life. Sun's in a bad spot. You got wind. You got to deal with it.
Mailbox is in a bad spot.
Yeah, everything's in a bad spot. But let's make it work. You know, you can't Photoshop it out. It's just not how it works, right? So what they end up doing is blocking by either changing camera angle, changing focus, right? And you end up blocking what's ugly about the scene. Sitting on the hood, and then we're kind of shooting down. I'd like a 50 millimeter or an 85 millimeter, somewhere in that range. That's how I would end up shooting this. And remember, it's always the same thing. You're on that track. I love that. Let me see you looking off this way. Beautiful. Where's my reflector? Now, we don't have a whole lot of sun out, so we're gonna be very limited, but you see, can you guys see the difference? No, 100, F2, and I'm just gonna take a test shot here, see what I'm looking at. Bring your chin to me this one, right there. Folks, put me on the light. I don't want that split lighting on her nose. You gotta come, you gotta come, you gotta come. Frame up her face using this, right? So just keep her face framed up. Don't cut her face off with that. All right, so let's go. Come on in here with me. Let's start shooting. I want to make sure what I'm getting. Look what I'm getting. If you want to see. Okay, so that's kind of beautiful. Love that. Let me see you. Ooh, I can get something nice right here. Oh, right there, right there. It's killer. Full face turn. Yep, love that. Good. Put your glasses on, looking away. Love that, love that, love that. Don't move. Oh. Anybody switch over to aperture priority?
Yeah.
You like it? You're trying?
Yeah.
Can't tell us what to do, Amy.
Shot here is like just dead on, and it's absolutely stunning. You can watch Hannah and She just sitting there. You're awesome. So we'll grab some shots of her, but then we're also going to utilize the sides because by moving around, we can change our light look without having to actually like move our lights, if that makes sense. So right here, like this is very flat and flatter angles. I have no wrinkles right now. It's amazing. You go over there, I'll have wrinkles, but it's really dramatic. Editorial type style, so that's a good thing. Don't think like you always have to see a person's face. You know?
Right? So now we got the bump in that direction as well. We got a little bit of highlight. Widens it out. It's competing with the roundness of the bump versus swap. Complementing the bump, right? So now we just have like this S shape.
We have some things to work through, but surprisingly, at least from 2 different classes, I've heard that these have been their favorite shots, which kudos to Carmel and Lizzie for being awesome. And please do what I call a quality check. Play back your photo, look at it, If you know how to play back to see your highlight warning, I didn't tell the other groups this, but I ran into this with the last group. Put your highlight warnings on. That will tell you if a shot is over or underexposed in certain areas of the photo. You want to make sure you're getting sharp shots. The other thing too is we're using constant lights here. We have a small light source with a strip box or with a grid on it. So this light is going to produce a little bit of a harder light. It's going to look great for Amber Lee, but it doesn't work for everybody. Work on expressions and poses.
We've all done it. And so the way I feel
Keep this
right now, right?
and probably have you actually lean inside. So, lighting is going to be on this side. We've got screens, we've got this new checker. It's a little hot. I'm going to pull it back. We're tied in, so understand the light is going to hit her here and it's going to fall off, so it will be darker on the bottom. Okay, how does that look? You guys are over here. What do you guys see? Okay, beautiful. You should be seeing definition if you cut out the muscles, right? This light. Put your hand. That left. There you go. Perfect. Now we see the fingers. There we go.
Start counting. One 1,000. Two 1,000. Let's give it up for the hair and makeup team one more time. You know the drill. We are having a competition. You will get a link. That link will have the models' Instagram handles, all that stuff for you. So if you post, tag them, share that with them. They worked hard today. But you will also get rules on the competition to upload. And then, do we know much about? You'll get the Canon R8 and that kit lens. And then, last but not least, I know I speak on behalf of the family of H&H, and I know my own team. Thank you so much for supporting everything we do and believing in us all the time. We couldn't do it without you, and I hope we continue to grow as a community, continue to grow as artists, and I hope you got great images today. Yeah?
Yes.
Okay, and that's it. So you're going to load up the buses. You'll head back home. I look forward to seeing you guys at Shutterfest. We'll have even more fun together. All right, guys, have a great night.